And welcome to day 13's creative writing prompt to help get your writing started on Saturday the 4th of April. I am recording this ahead of time so that you can all use it whatever time you want to use it on Saturday morning or Saturday afternoon, whenever you like. I'm recording this on Friday. So a little bit of advice again about free writing, about the 6-minute Wellspring writing. The trick is very simple, just write and write and write. No editing. Don't worry about making mistakes. This is just for you. You don't have to share it with anybody at all. This is your first draft, so it's about letting your creative process just go free. Start writing when I give you the prompt. Even if the only thing you can think of to write is, I don't know what to write, I don't know what to write, just keep that hand moving. Okay? So your prompt for today is my most hated word of this week, or most hated sound of this week, because I've been struggling not to use it, which is M. Okay, so your prompt for today is M ... if you want to add in the ... and your 6 minutes to start your free writing begins. Have you got your pen and your notebook ready, or your laptop, whatever you prefer to use? So your 6 minutes starts now. Okay, everybody, that is your 6 minutes up. Thank you again for joining us today. I hope you have a lovely Saturday and have a brilliant weekend. I will post another video for you on Sunday as well. Feel free to let me know where M took you. I'm particularly interested in that because I think it's quite random. It's not anything like any of the usual prompts that I use, so I'm quite interested to hear where that is taking you. So all the best, and take care, and happy writing.